Hello friends, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry YouTube channel. As we discussed last class, the important point is what, that is chemical properties. Chemical properties of what? Haloalkanes. In chemical properties of haloalkanes, the first most important point is what? The haloalkanes are more reactive in nature. You know very well about that. Why haloalkanes are more reactive in nature? Because there is a carbon halogen is there. Out of these two, halogen is a more electronegative atom. That is why the electron move from obviously carbon to halogen. This is the fact. In this case, what chemical properties, then generally they are going to divide three parts. The first part is that is nucleophilic substitution reaction. The second one is what, that is elimination reaction. Third one is what, that is other reaction. Other reaction means what? Reaction with the metals. After that there is a Wurtz reaction is there, it will come later. Okay, that is most important point. In this case, what? The nucleophilic substitution reaction is the most important point. In nucleophilic substitution reaction, there are divided into what, that is 6 to 8 points are there. 8 points means what? In this case, first we know very well about that nucleophilic substitution reaction. The nucleophile means usually how we are going to represent Nu minus, that is indicate what? Nucleophile. The nucleophile is what? Electron rich in center. Always the nucleophile is going to attack on electron deficient center. Okay, that is the what important point in a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay. In this case, what the nucleophilic substitution reaction, what are the order? Order means what? In this case, what the most reactive in nature is what? Alkyl iodide, that is what? Ri. Next after that what? Bromine. Next after that what? Chlorine. Next after that what? Fluorine. This is the order of what? Most reactive of what? Towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Bear in mind, that is most important point. Means why the iodine is more reactive towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction? Because the iodine is having a what? Larger in size. Larger in size means obviously it can go out very easily. That is why it is a good living group. The iodine is having a what? Good living group. When the nucleophile is going to attack on carbon, obviously the iodine will go out faster. That is what fact. Okay. Next after that, in this case, what the first replacement reactions are there. The first one is what? Replacement what? Hydroxyl. Next one is what? That is replacement by what? Alkoxy. The third one is what? Replacement by what? That is the cyanide. In that third one is the most important, and sometime they are going to ask you in an entrance exam. Okay, they are going to give two reactions. The one reaction is what? That is alkyl halide can react with what? KCN. In the presence of what? Alcohol, they are going to maintain alcoholic media. Okay, Rx can react with what? KCN. There is a formation of product is what? RCN is a product plus release of what? That is KX. KX means what? That is a K is a alkali metal. Next one is what? Halide. Metallic halide is formation. But that is not most important product, but important product is what? That is cyanide. Alkyl cyanide is the most important point. Just I am going to tell you the important point comparison between last class and this class is the most important. I am going to write that reaction, the last class reaction I am going to write here. Just see here, I am going to use this place. Okay, just here last class reaction, this R. Next after that this X is there, this can react with what? KCN, potassium and cyanide is there. Next after that what? In the presence of what? Alcohol is there. Next there is a formation of product is what? RCN plus release of what? That is KX. Just here in this case, most important, this is a carbon is there, this is a what? Totally cyanide group. This one is indicate what? A cyanide. Carbon nitrogen triple bond are possible. I will tell you right now. Okay. In this case, what happen? If you are going to use a KCN, if you are going to use a KCN in the presence of alcohol, there is a formation of product is alkyl cyanide is a product possible. Just see here, alkyl cyanide is the product. Bear in mind, important. That is why I am going to write this one more time. Okay. That is why in this case important is what? There is a formation of product is what? Alkyl cyanide. Okay. Up to this we have discussed in what? Last class. Today we are going to discuss the continue part of what? That nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is called what? Fourth one. Just here comparison between these two is important. Okay. Action of silver cyanide, that is AgCN. Okay, there is a formation of product is what? Isocyanide. Okay, just here reaction. This is what alkyl halide is their general name. What we are going to call this is alkyl halide. I am going to write here alkyl halide general name. Okay, if you are going to take a particular example, means you have to take R, means you have to take CS3 or C2H5. This can react with what? Halogen, that is indicate what? Alkyl halide. CS3Cl is there, that is methyl chloride. If CS3Br is there, that is called methyl bromide, so on. Okay. In this case, this alkyl halide can react with what? Silver cyanide. Here is their name AgCN. The AgCN is indicate what? Silver cyanide. In the presence of what? Alcohol, there is a formation of product is what? Alkyl cyanide. Alkyl isocyanide is a product plus release of AgX. Don't worry about this one. Be careful about what? The major product. This is what? RNC. What is the name of this one? Alkyl isocyanide. Now you have to compare between the action of potassium cyanide and next one is what? Action of silver cyanide. The reactant side what? Rx. In this case also what? Rx comparison study is the most important. Okay. Next after that, in this case what? KCN is there. In this case what? AgCN is there. If you are going to use AgCN, the product is different. If you are going to use what? KCN, product is different. Just here, this potassium metal, after that this silver is also what? Metal. The silver will come under a D block elements, this potassium will come under a S block elements. Okay. The major difference is what? In this case metal, but remaining group just here, this is also cyanide is there, this is also cyanide is there, there is no difference what? Next this remaining things. That is why just here bear in mind important, if you are going to use a KCM, there is a formation of product is alkyl cyanide. If you are going to use a AgCN, there is a formation of product is what? Isocyanide. Next question, why like this? There is a what? Reason is there, that is indicate what? Note just here, Cn minus is an ambident nucleophile. Bear in mind important, this is a new word for you all. This is what? Cn minus is an ambident nucleophile. The next question, what is ambident nucleophile? The ambident nucleophile means in this case, if example is what? Cn minus is there, in this case what happen? The carbon is going to attack, that time product is different. If nitrogen is going to attack, that time product is what? Different. Okay. Just here in this case what happen? The carbon is going to attack, that is there is a formation of alkyl cyanide. In this case what happen? The nitrogen is going to attack, the product is what? Isocyanide. Ambidentate nucleophile means what? It can attack both the way, it can attack carbon as well as a nitrogen, that is indicate what? Ambident nucleophile. In cyanide, just I am going to write, that is in cyanide, if carbon is going to attack, product is alkyl cyanide. Product is what? Alkyl cyanide. Okay. Next, if nitrogen is going to attack, just you have to take, if nitrogen is going to what? Attack, product possible is what? If nitrogen is what? Attack, product is isocyanide. Product is what? Isocyanide. That is why they called as a ambidentate nucleophile. The Cn minus is act as a ambident nucleophile. Okay. Ambident means it can attack both the way, carbon as well as a nitrogen. Final conclusion is, if the carbon is going to attack, there is a formation of product is what? Alkyl cyanide. If the nitrogen is going to attack, what is the product? That is called what? Isocyanide. The major difference is in this case what? The attacking is the most important. Okay. That is why hence it can attack through either carbon or through nitrogen. If attack through what? Carbon, that is alkyl cyanide. If attack through nitrogen, that is called what? Isocyanide. Make it perfect, bear in mind. This is what final conclusion for what? This is cyanide. This question is asked in what? Entrance exam. Okay, you have to check it is the AgCN or KCN. If AgCN is there, different tool, if KCN is there, different tool. Okay. Next. The next point is what, that is fifth one, replacement, otherwise you have to take replacement or action, both are same. Action of potassium nitrite, this is what, potassium nitrite, action of, just see here, KNO2 is there, that is called potassium nitrite. If KNO3 is there, that is called potassium nitrate. All those things you have to bear in mind. Okay, just I am going to write here, this one the extra. If KNO3 is there, what you are going to call potassium nitrate, potassium nitrate. Okay, ATE. If KNO2 is there, that is called what, potassium nitrite. Okay, that is what, potassium nitrite. In this case, action of potassium nitrite, this is simple, RX is there, same alkyl halide. Next after that, this KNO2, potassium nitrite, in the presence of what, alcohol, there is a formation of product is what, alkyl nitrites. Product is what, alkyl nitrites. In this case, this is what, do not take here alkyl, it is a what, alkane. In this case, this is act as a what, alkane. Alkane cyanide is there in this case. In this case, what we are going to write, in this case what, alkyl nitrite. In this case also alkyl cyanide possible, but in they are mentioned what, NCERT alkane, you have to take alkane, no problem. This is what, alkyl nitrites is there, plus release of what, KX. Okay, next this is, just here, in this case also most important point is this NO2. NO2 is act as ambident nucleophile, in this case also same. In this case, Cn minus is act as a ambident nucleophile, in this case NO2 is also act as a ambident nucleophile. Just here, ambident means what, one is nitrogen atom, another one is what, oxygen atom. Okay, these two are atom most important, either nitrogen is going to attack or oxygen is going to attack. If nitrogen is going to attack, the product is different, if oxygen is going to attack, the product is what, different. Okay, yeah. Just here, this is what, KNO2, alcohol product possible. Just here, in this case reason is there, NO2 is also an ambident nucleophile, same, NO2 is also an what, ambident nucleophile. Okay, that is why in this case I am going to consider another example for here, action of silver nitrate is there. This is RX, this is what, AgNO2 is act as a what, silver nitrate. In the presence of alcohol, there is a formation of what, nitroalkanes. The product name is what, nitroalkanes. In this case, the nitrogen is going to attack directly, the nitrogen is going to attack, the product is what, nitroalkanes. But in this case, the oxygen is going to attack directly, oxygen is going to attack, the product is what, alkyl nitrite. Alkyl nitrite is different, nitroalkanes is different. Just here carbon is there, here what, nitrogen is there. In this case what, this is the bond. Just here carbon is there, this is what, oxygen is there. Carbon oxygen bond product is different, carbon nitrogen bond product is different. Okay. Now bear in mind, this is what, nitroalkanes. In this case I am going to consider some example. I am going to take, this is what, CH3, next one is what, CH2, this is what, I am going to take a Br. After that this can react with what, AgNO2, silver nitrite. Okay, silver nitrite, NO2 is there, no, 100% what, nitrite. Obviously in the presence of what, alcohol, they are going to use what, alcohol. What is the product possible? Just here, AgNO2 is there, the nitrogen is going to attack, that is fixed. If KNO2 is there, that is indicate what, oxygen is going to attack. Just here, why like this means, in this case, this KNO2 is act as a predominantly ionic in nature. What is the meaning of predominantly? Basically, mostly, generally, mainly, all are indicate what, predominantly. Okay, I am going to, in this case also KCN is also act as a what, predominantly ionic in nature. Just here, that word is what, predominantly. Okay, I am going to write here only. Word is what, that is predominantly. Okay, predominantly ionic in nature. Okay, important. If predominantly ionic in nature is there, that time what, the oxygen is going to attack. Okay, particular this case. In this case, the predominantly ionic in nature is there, their carbon is going to attack. Okay, this KNO2 is act as a predominantly ionic in nature. Okay, next this AgNO3 is act as a what, covalent in nature. The AgNO2 is act as a what, covalent in nature. Bear in mind. Okay, important. In this case CH3 CH2 Br is there. What is the IUPAC name of this one? Bromoethane. 2 carbons are there. You are going to write a eth, that is called bromoethane. Next, after that, this AgNO2 silver nitrite in the presence of alcohol, there is a formation of product. Just see here, this AgBr will go out as like a AgX. Finally, there is a formation of product is what? CH3 CH2. Next one is what? That is nitrogen attack, no, directly NO2. Okay, this is the final product plus release of what? AgBr, silver bromide will go out. Okay, what is the name of this one? In this case what? Nitroalkanes is there, no, you have to write nitroethane. Nitroethane is the IUPAC nomenclature final product, nitroethane. How many carbons are there? 2 carbon, no, that is why they are going to write a eth, that is indicate what? Nitroethane. Okay. This is most important. In this case only 2 compounds are having a what? Ambident nucleophile. One is what? Cyanide, another one is what? NO2. These 2 points are exceptional case, bear in mind, important. Okay. This is nitroalkane is the final product. Next one is what? 6th point is there. The 6th point is action of silver salt of carboxylic acid. Action of what? Silver salt of carboxylic acid, another name is what? Hunsaker reaction. Okay. Action of silver salt of carboxylic acid. Just here, this is indicate what? Silver salt of carboxylic acid. You know very well about that. Salt means having a what? One positive and one negative charge possible. RCO minus is there, Ag plus is there. It is a look like a what? Salt. That's why they called as a silver salt of carboxylic acid. Silver salt of carboxylic acid can react with what? This is called what? Alkyl bromide, R dash Br. What is the difference between R dash and R? These two are having a 2 different group. If you are going to consider R is CH3, R dash means what? That is C2H5. Okay, all are what? Alkyl group only. This is what? Alkyl bromide. In the presence of alcohol, there is a formation of product is what? Ester. RCOO R dash, this is called what? Ester. Otherwise you have to write like this also, no problem. R C, in this case C double bond O, next one is what? This is O, next this is R. This is also ester only. This is also ester only. This is what?